natural gas, as we expected that the preceding candle on the weekly charts is a probable reversal sign after weeks of bearishness. We have seen net gas yielding higher lows and higher highs. It is in fact moved towards 2.55 levels and close it close to 2.5. What does this mean? Can we expect a rise from here in gas prices? Can we expect the gas price to reverse completely and a rally is seen? Or is it again going to crash? Which position you should take trading natural gas next week? And also we'll see the forecast for next few weeks with the help of charts and indicators. Do watch till the end. Towards the end, I will give you the trading levels and strategy. If you're new to the channel, subscribe to the channel to get the daily updates. I release the net gas update every day with the Asian Europe session. What that is well. Let's start. And yes, if you're new to the channel, do subscribe to the channel, and you can also be part of our channel memberships, which has its own benefits. Do press the join button. Let's start with the natural gas on the 4-hour charts. There is a moving average crossover, important sign, but you can see prices are not willing to 4 to 5 6 candles here. Prices not willing to stay above 2.52 zone. Thus, once you see prices staying above 2.52 in the coming week, we can expect a possible breakout which may take the prices towards 2.58, 2.6 zone. Now, see, this is the first resistance zone at 2.6. If 2.6 is taken, we have the next steps. See, as how it has taken the steps here, you can also note that it is consolidated and it is yielding higher highs here and higher lows. Now with higher lows, we can look forward to 2.7 as the next target in the coming week. Possibility is there if it stays above 2.55, 2.6 zone. Certainly 2.7 is the next milestone which we are looking at. The stochastic has dropped. MACD, now look at the 4-hour charts. MACD rise, retracement, again looking up, and it has lot much of scope on the upside for it to rise. RSI rising, coming to the daily charts. Another point to note here on the daily charts is, see, it is still under retracement. Any drop below 2.3 should be taken up seriously. That is a sign of a crash. If it stays below 2.3, certainly the bears will take over. But what has happened so far? See, moving averages were trading with divergence and bearishness. Prices were trading with too much of divergence from the moving average 20 period. It has converted now towards the 20 period moving average and towards the median of the Bollinger Bands. Thus, this makes this zone completely a stronger resistance zone between 2.55 and 2.6. Thus, any rise above 2.6 levels, you can say that the prices have reversed and we can see a rally again where it may try to move consistently on the upside towards 2.7, 2.8 levels as the next target. Also, you must notice on the daily charts, the closer of the last candle is at with a doji and at a highs, and thus we have to wait for it to stay now about 2.52 levels and 2.55 levels. Beyond this, certainly you can say 2.6, 2.7, 2.8. 2.8 is my next targets here. The stochastic rising, MACD. Now look at MACD. It has crossed over at bottom, trading with divergence and bullishness. You can look at, see, this reversal has come after a long bearish move. Thus, it may call for the prices to rise. And it is showing signs of divergence, which is certainly a sign of reversal from the current levels. A stochastic coming out of the oversold zone, showing a V-shaped recovery. Now see, this is almost a V-shaped recovery here, which means that prices might continue to trend higher from the current levels. Volumes are comfortable. Coming to the weekly. Now look at weekly charts. Last week we have discussed that after a strong bearish momentum, this is a potential reversal sign in the gas prices. Now, after the reversal sign, this candle has closed in green and it has achieved higher highs as well. Now, for the next week, we have to wait for a breakout above 2.6 levels. Once the prices stays above 2.5 at 2.6 levels, you can say that the bulls will take over and we can see a complete reversal or a trend reversal in NG, where we can expect it to retrace at least towards $3 levels in the next few weeks, or in fact, it can achieve higher highs as well. Now, if you look at the weekly charts, what has happened here after the sharp drop, it has retraced, it has dropped here. Now, again, this is higher lows and higher highs. It is trading in a sideways bullish channel. It is not an accelerated bullish channel, but sideways bullish. The top of this channel now is at around 3.84 zone. Thus, from the current levels, once the prices starts moving upward, we will watch out how it behaves at $3 levels, and beyond that, certainly on the weekly charts, we can look for major bullish momentum. Now see, weekly stochastic has also oversold levels and it's now showing a recovery here. While the MACD, this is important. See, MACD crossing over here from the zero levels. See, first of all, the highs here, sharper drop, retracement, and now it has crossed over. So this is a little worry point. We have to wait for it to cross over again. If this time it converges and crosses over, we can say that a complete reversal is taking place, and we are looking forward to a major rise for the coming few weeks, where we can look forward to 3, 3.6, 3.8 levels. Coming to the monthly chart, see, you can also learn this art of analyzing the charts, finding out the trend reversal, finding out the trends, finding out the targets, and trade profitably. You can just join my mentorship batch. 28th batch is commenced and announced. It is commencing on first month next year, that is January 2024. Register for, reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can find the details with respect to curriculum, timings, fees, everything on my platform www.forexfunda.com. You can also be part of my signals channel on Telegram, where you can trade as per the signals. Now look at the monthly charts. On the monthly charts, you can find out, see, moving averages crossing over here, which makes $4 levels as a greater resistance. Now what has happened so far on the monthly charts? A drop, a retracement towards the 20 period, as the prices were trading with too much of divergence from the 20 period moving average. Median of the Bollinger Bands at 4.4, 4.5, gap also at 4.4, 4.5. Now what has happened here? One sharper bearish candle, next bearish candle. I will wait to see where this candle closes, where this month closes. Any close of the month around 2.8, 2.7 levels will suggest that in the coming month we can see a reversal where the prices might continue to trade on the upward trajectory. Now see, higher lows, higher highs, so it can continue to rise from the current levels. I will wait. If the next month net gas prices stays above 3, certainly consider that as a reversal, and we are going to look forward to again higher highs in the coming few months. So be watchful here. Where this monthly closing happens, that is what we should look at. Stochastic has dropped. See, on the monthly charts, this is the only worry point. Stochastic was overbought. It has cooled down significantly. But look at MACD. See, this is where we are looking at. After a gradual rise, we have seen a sharper fall. Also, the MACD here on the monthly charts is almost hit a bottom here, and it has seen a stronger drop. Thus, chances for it to converge crossover. And if it does crosses over, we can see a complete reversal. Right now, it is not showing much of the signs. RSI looking down. So now we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators, and now for me, it's time to give you the trading levels and strategies so that you can trade profitably. And before we proceed, if you see more of such details, we discuss in our free webinar. Today is the free webinar where we are going to discuss about the key strategies for technical analysis so that you can trade profitably. This is a completely free webinar, and every Sunday we take a paid webinar where we take up a holistic view of indices, commodities, metals, and also we take up dollar and the volatility index, and I give you a deeper insight of the markets and behavior in the coming week. And also I take up your live questions along with this paid webinar. There are 2 free consultations which you get with me. You can consult with me anytime. You can book your slots, and once a consultation itself, whether be it respect to your existing stressed trades, or if you want me to make any futuristic predictions for any of the instruments, definitely these consultations are the tool for you. So do join this weekly webinar series. Do visit the page forexfunda.com for more details. And for mentorship and Telegram, mentorship and signals channel, you can reach out to me as well. Now, where to? As we've seen, 2.52 is the only level beyond which I will recommend you to buy, and you can expect 2.55 is the first target, and I will wait for 2.6 to be. Now once the prices stays above 2.6, you can say the bulls will take over, and I will look forward to 2.7, though 2.8 next week appears difficult, but 2.7 appears to be an achievable target. Beyond 2.8 is where the complete reversal will take place, and we can look forward to see. This is applicable for next few weeks as well. As and how it stays above one or the other target, we can see the bullishness prevailing here. Beyond 3, it is going to scale up strongly towards 3.2, 3.6 and plus levels in the next few weeks. For the next week, we have to watch out for, at best, even if it continues to stay bullish, $3 levels should be the greatest resistance, though 2.8 something should be the achievable levels. On the downside, I will recommend you to, we have to think of both ways. If you see it trading below 2.44, you can take a sell entry here. 2.4 first target, 2.36 next, and 2.3. Remember this fact. This is the zone which is going to play a critical role in deciding. First, 2.4, 2.36, and any drop below 2.3 should be taken up seriously, where we are going to look forward to a drop here. Though I am bullish, but we have to think of the levels which can decide the future of gas price. If it stays below 2.3, we are definitely looking forward to more bearishness towards 2.2, 2.1 levels. Achieving the bottom at 2.06 also, it can possibly bounce back, but below that, it should be treated as a crash, and we can look forward to sharply lower gas prices, which I do not expect it to happen. I am possibly looking forward to a rise in the coming week. Take your trade accordingly. Just stick to the levels. Don't go with the bias. Just stick to the levels and take your trades. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch starting in January. Join the Signals channel or join the webinar series. All the services details you can find there on my platform forexwonder.com or on my free Telegram channel, and you can write down to me via email or telegram as well. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead and a Merry Christmas, friends. Thank you.